like I started all my videos at my car now. Anyway, we're on the phone today, and we're heading down to this pond. All right, now you people, we're walking down. I know there's bluegill in here. I don't know if they're out yet, though. I know there's brown trout, rainbow trout, bass. I've actually came here 6 times through the winter months, through snow and ice and rain, just because it's close by, and I have had no luck at all. I saw fish swimming around at the bottom, but I was never able to catch any of them. But now the weather's been good, so I think I have a good chance. Yep. If any of y'all were ever wondering, little hat or a fedora or something makes a pretty good phone holder for when you need to record something. I have one bait rod that I'm going to throw out, and I have one lure rod. So I feel like that's just the most efficient way to fish. Out right in the middle. Start throwing the lure. This lure has a pretty good movement. Especially on the bottom. It's a slow riser, so. Okay, I'll try my best to block out the sun or adjust that. Fish I can see. I saw like 5 swimming around. I just don't know if they like to see it. Here we are from the other side. I see definitely a few fish. I think I'm gonna take 2 more casts, see if I get any more follows with the jerk bait, and then I'm gonna switch it up to the rooster tail. Alrighty, let's see that. If I stand up here, pretty good. Oh. I think that's gonna do a lot better. Pretty good. Oh, we got one, guys. Woo-wee! Brown trout. We did it. First brownie right here. These are all wild, I believe, too. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, he came up and he slammed it. Oh, sorry. I know they get infected easily. There they are. Little brown trout. And we're gonna let him go right here at the waterfall. Just so you guys see it. There he is. It's not very rapid or like hard or anything. He'll be all right. All right. I'm gonna go try to catch another one. That's great. First fish. Finally at this spot again. So is it just me, or does this now prove that cheap lures are the best bet for fish? Definitely not my best ever video. Not the most amount of fish. No Exton Park or nothing. But you know, hey, I caught a fish. First brown trout of the year, I think. Oh, no, not first brown trout, but first brown trout of the spring, I guess. First fish out of this pond for the year. And, you know, I'd say it's not terrible, you know. Any fish is a good fish. What? Trunk was open. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want some more. And I'll catch y'all next time.